Dear students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss some theorems on the chapter Circus, class 9. The first theorem, equal chords and the distance from the center. Equal chords of a circle or of congruent circles are equidistant from the center. So here the theorem says that we have two chords that are equal. Here AB and CD are equal chords. That is AB equal to CD. So we need to prove OX is equal to OY. So here join OA and OC and also OX is perpendicular to AB. Then we can say AX equal to BX by previous theorem. Then AX equal to BX can be written as half of AB, that is AB by 2, that is in equation number 1. Similarly here OY is perpendicular to CD, then we can say CY equal to DY, that is half of CD, means CD by 2, equation number 2. And also the question or the theorem is given that AB equal to CD, that's equal to AB by 2 is equal to CD by 2. That means from equation number 1 and 2 we can say the left side AX of equation number 1 and CY from equation number 2 that are equal. That means AX equal to CY. Consider triangle AOX and triangle COY. Here angle OXA equal to angle OYC. Both are 90 degree. Okay, so they are equal. Then OA equal to OC. They are also equal because they are radius. Then AX is equal to CY. Already we proved equation number 3. Then therefore triangle AOX congruent to triangle COY by RHS rule. Then by CPCT we can say that OX is equal to OY. Hence the theorem. The next one, converse of the previous theorem. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. In this theorem, AB and CD are two chords and OX perpendicular to AB, X bisect AB, that means AX equal to XB. Then OY perpendicular to CD, that is Y bisect CD, that is CY equal to YD, and also distant from the center to the chord OX and OY that are also equal. Then we have to prove AB and CD are equal. Okay, so in triangle AOX and triangle DOY, consider these two triangles. We have to show these two triangles are congruent. This triangle we have angle OXA equal to angle OYD. They are 90 degree, so they are equal. Then OA equal to OD, that are radius in these two triangles, so they are equal. And also OX equal to OY, it is given, they are equal. Therefore by RHS rule we can say triangle AOX congruent to triangle DOY. Therefore by using CPCT we can say that AX equal to DY, that is equation number 1. Then already the theorem says that or given that OX perpendicular to AB, that is X bisect AB. Therefore we can write the chord AB is equal to 2 times of AX. We know AX equal to XB, so we can write 2 times of AX, that is AB, equation number 2. Similarly CY perpendicular to CD, therefore Y bisects CD. Therefore, CD equal to 2 dy, equation number 3. From 1, we can say AX equal to dy. Multiply on both sides by 2. So, we get 2ax is equal to 2dy. That is 2ax means AB and 2dy means CD. That's equal to AB equal to CD. Hence the theorem. The next one, angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Here we have a circle and we have a minor arc PQ and we have an angle at center. So the angle subtended by the minor arc PQ at O is angle POQ, and the angle subtended by the major arc PQ at O is reflex angle POQ. That means we take any arc on the circle and draw to the center. We get a center angle, and that angle is called angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Here we get one more angle subtended by the major arc. That means PQ is the minor arc and the balance remaining portion is the major arc. So we get another center angle on that center. Okay, that are called angle subtended by an major arc of a circle. And also we have one more result, the angle subtended by a chord of a circle at its center is equal to angle subtended by the corresponding minor arc at the center. So we have to study one theorem. If two arcs of a circle are congruent, then their corresponding chords are equal. So here AB and CD are two arcs, they are equal. We have to prove chord AB equal to chord CD. For this, consider triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Here we have angle AOB and angle COD. The measurement of these two angles are equal, and OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. They are radius, so they are equal. Therefore, triangle OAB congruent to triangle OCD by SAS congruence rule. So we can get by CPCT AB equal to CD. Hence the theorem. Then its converse is also true. If two chords of a circle are equal, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. The next theorem, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. This theorem says that we have three cases. We can discuss one by one. So first case, the angle subtended by an arc. Here the first figure AB is the small arc or minor arc, and that arc make an angle at the center, that is angle AOB is double every time. What happened? The angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. That means the portion of remaining part means APB. In this section or in this major arc, we can select any point on the circle and join them A to P, B to P. I consider a point P and join AP and join BP. You will get a small arc angle APB on the circle. So simply we can say angle AOB is equal to double of angle APB. That's equal to angle AOB is equal to 2 times of angle APB. That's the theorem. Okay. Then in the second case, we have another arc AB. So this is a semicircle. So we get 180 degree at the center. So which is the remaining part of this circle? APB. So select a one point. So we selected one point P and join them AP and PB. So the arc AB subtend an angle at the center, that is 180 degree at the center, and 180 by 2, that is half of 180 is equal to 90 degree. So APB, angle APB is equal to 90 degree. In the third case, we have major arc subtended an angle at the center. Then, which is the remaining part of the circle? APB, that is the small portion. APB is the remaining part of the circle. And select a point on the remaining part of the circle, that is P, and join AP and BP. Then you will get an angle APB, and double of these angles is every time reflex angle of AOB. Okay, so you will get a center angle of the major arc. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.